Welcome to 3.5 Minutes Conversational Grammar. In this first episode of our new English language learning series, we'll be diving into basic greetings and introductions, crucial for starting conversations in English. Here are essential phrases. For casual greetings, say hello and hi, and also use time-specific ones like good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. When meeting someone, use expressions like nice to meet you, or casually, great to see you, to respond to someone introducing themselves to you.
Hello, I'm Alex. Nice to meet you.
Oh, hi Alex. I'm Anna. I'm pleased to meet you. This is my friend, Sam.
Great to see you, Alex.
Nice to meet you too, Sam. Are you both new here?
Yes, we are. How about you?
Oh, I've been here for a while.
Perhaps the most important verb in any language is the one talking about us. In English, it is the verb to be. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, and they are pronouns. We use them with the verb to be to introduce or describe someone. Personal pronouns along with the verb to be also form questions and negatives. To form questions, you simply put the verb before the pronoun. For negatives, you add not in its short form to the verb to be.
Are you both new here?
Yes, we are.
Is he your boyfriend?
No, he isn't.
Let's practice together. Try introducing yourself and a friend. Repeat, hello, I'm... This is... Nice to meet you. In just 3.5 minutes, you learned key greetings, how to introduce yourself and others, and use pronouns with the verb to be. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on our next episode at English Express Fun Learning.